Hey guys, my name is Payton Lieberman. I'm one of SYA Spain's campus vloggers this year, and today I'm going to be taking you through a day in my life. So this is Sconso.
Hi guys.
This is Kendall. Sconso break. We're going to Elbrin Cone
To get a snack.
Yep. All right. So we're in Spanish language class. We are asking people questions in Spanish, and this is Maddie and Mitchell. Yeah.
De fiestas, el inicio, antes de las fiestas.
Oh, okay.
Un desfile. De las fiestas.
El mal sabor. Mal.
Hey guys, so we're walking to lunch right now.
Provided.
Hey guys, so we're walking to cooking class now. Here's everyone. So I just got back from cooking and now it's time to do some of my homework.
¿Es vídeo o foto?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I am about to head off to bed because tomorrow we are going to a vineyard for field work, which I am so excited for. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.